Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see first Instagram message without scrolling. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just, swipe right here to see the messages and just go ahead and click on the message right here. So in order to see the first message that I sent to that person, I'm going to do something a little bit tricky, right? You're not going to scroll up or down. What you're going to do, you're going to just click on your Wi-Fi at the top right, and you're going to just click on it, and you're going to see the first message that you sent on your messages right here on your Instagram. So you're gonna click the Wi-Fi repeatedly until you see the first message. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.